Hello again adventurers, welcome to the exciting video from Monteverde, Costa Rica. Today we're gonna see the Monteverde Waterfall, the Ficus tree bridge. Let's get into the vlog. You see guys, a landslide, not enough trees to support it. Might happen the same somewhere here. Right after only about 10 minutes of steep descent from the road, we arrived to Monteverde Waterfall, which is not very big, but you also have these steep cliffs around it with the tree roots that looks pretty impressive. As for every attraction in Costa Rica, you had to pay even for this small waterfall. It was around $6, so I thought I'm gonna make most of it and swim here, even though the water was pretty cold, because we are here at around 1,500 meters above sea level. So now I'll just try to climb these cliffs, but I'll be really careful not to slip, and also maybe a jump if the water is deep enough. And at this point I wanted to be even more adventurous and climb even higher, also using some of the roots of the trees on the right. And I wanted to make it to that platform just above me. But as you see, I'm trying to catch some really good holds, but I can't find any. I could probably get up with some smaller holds, but it would be too risky, especially on the way down. If I slip from that height, I would hurt myself pretty badly. Alright, and after the waterfall we drove down the road for a few kilometers until we found this spot in the jungle. This spot should lead to the Ficus tree bridge, and we found this location thanks to the Google Maps reviews. Right, and here at the Ficus tree bridge there are a few people already here, and it only takes about 5 minutes of descent to here. This time we didn't have to pay, but it would be ridiculous to pay to see a tree. I think in the future they might put a barbed wire fence around the whole forest, like they did in Santa Elena, where is the other Ficus tree. Now as you can see, you can climb up onto the tree, you can sit down because the tree is a little bit hollow in the middle. You still have to hold on tight and be careful not to fall down, because it's around 3 meters drop. Alright adventurers, that's it for today. Now we're enjoying the sunset from one of the viewpoints by the side of the road. We have just one more day left in Monteverde, where we want to visit the Monteverde Nature Reserve, so we're hoping it will be better than the Santa Elena Nature Reserve. So stay tuned for future videos, and as always, stay healthy
and stay adventurous.